Now I would like to formally invite the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, to kindly come up and address the audience. Please welcome the Honorable Prime Minister.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Federal Health Minister Sayyid Mustafa Kamal, Honorable Federal Ministers, great friend of Pakistan, Ambassador Jiang and Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, and wonderful friends from China and great Pakistani entrepreneurs, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It's really a great pleasure to be here to attend this great B2B conference between Pakistani and Chinese business leaders in the field of pharmaceutical industry. We have just witnessed ceremony of agreements between Pakistani and Chinese entrepreneurs valuing almost $440 million. I'd like to comment great efforts of Minister Mustafa Kamal, Harun Akhtar, Ambassador Khalil Hashmi, and our great friend, Ambassador of China, Ms. Jiang, and of course, all relevant government entities, government officials, and above all, great Pakistani business leaders who have taken great efforts. Rest assured that these agreements will most definitely convert into actions and implementable documents. And I think this is again a step forward in promoting CPAC 2.0. My visit to China recently was a wonderful visit. China is one of the most trusted friends of Pakistan, one of the most dependable friends of Pakistan. China has stood by Pakistan through thick and thin, through most difficult times, promoting Pakistan's economic trajectory, supporting Pakistan's stand at international forum, and joining hands together in CPEC 1, where more than $30 billion were invested by China in Pakistan, the single largest investment portfolio. So, ladies and gentlemen, your presence here today is a great reflection of this friendship, and it's a great indication of this unwavering commitment on the part of Chinese friends and Pakistani entrepreneurs. During my visit to China, I had the great honor of meeting President Xi Jinping, who is a very visionary leader, a dynamic leader, who has completely transformed China's economy, Chinese society, promoted innovation, research and development, and today China in the field of economy is second to none. In the field of strategic development progress, China is again a power to reckon with. And the world cannot move without China. And I think this great achievement couldn't have been without a very forward-looking, dynamic leadership of President Xi Jinping and untiring efforts of Chinese people promoting education, research and development in every walk of life. And today, this event is going to be a great event in terms of promoting pharmaceutical industry, where great Pakistani experts, investors, leaders will join hand with great Chinese counterparts. And I think this will ultimately result into manufacturing life-saving medicines, vaccines, research and development, and become a center of excellence for exporting our wonderful products to neighboring countries. And as I speak, the present crisis in the region has really created huge disruption, not only in the region, but all over the world. Pakistan played a very important role to mediate between United States and Iran. Alhamdulillah, our efforts were adequately supported by brotherly and friendly countries, and China has been a great supporter of this initiative. President Xi Jinping, Premier Li, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, they all supported Pakistan's initiative, and very sincerely and seriously. And that's how this Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding was signed by United States, Iran, and Pakistan as a mediator. In that, I must also mention here that the untiring efforts of Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir in this process of mediation will always be remembered in the annals of history. And equally important, contribution of Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, talking to his counterparts all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that our friendship is quoted every now and then, is higher than Himalayas, sweeter than honey, stronger than steel. In conclusion, I would like to thank you all for your great efforts, and once again, deeply appreciate the leadership shown by Minister Mustafa Kamal, Harun Akhtar, Minister of BOI, DG, SIFC, and of course, above all, your great efforts, your commitment, your dedication, which has led to this great day where we see about 300 delegates coming from China. And I would like to say with fullest force at my command that the security of Chinese brothers and sisters in Pakistan is paramount for us. It is most important. And we will leave no stone unturned to provide them with best possible security. Chinese brothers and sisters in Pakistan are our guests. They are brothers, and believe me, their happiness is our happiness. Long live China-Pakistan friendship.
पाकिस्तान चीन फार्मास्यूटिकल B2B कॉन्फ्रेंस से वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे। दोनों मुल्कों के निजी शोबों के दरमियान 44 करोड़ डॉलर से ज़ायद मालियत के 9 मुआहदे किए गए हैं और CPEC फ़ेज़ 1 के तहत पाकिस्तान में 30 अरब डॉलर से ज़ायद की सरमायाकारी की गई। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने मज़ीद कहा कि मेरा हालिया दौरा चीन नहायत कामयाब और खुशगवार रहा। चीन पाकिस्तान का नहायत काबिल एतमाद और मुखलिस दोस्त है।